Hey, welcome to Kanabis, Selfi TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. First and foremost, give thanks and praise to our Heavenly Father for make this whole thing possible. Plus, now we say thanks to the people them who came out and showed their support to Fruity aka Shorty on our birthday celebration called Sagittarius Affair. Big up the people them who come and support the bar. Big up the people them who come and enjoy the music, enjoy the fun and the dancing and all of that. Big up the people them who treat the birthday girl special on our birthday also. You know, you came out and take pictures and all of that with her, selfie with her and all of that with her. And trust me, the party was a success, me not tell no lie. And the birthday girl dress was so beautiful. Me like how she dressed, me like how she looked on her birthday. She looked like a celebrity, including, when you talk about celebrity, we are talking about the lavish 360 spin where it make she look even more lavish. Me not tell no lie. Me like the whole concept and love everything about the birthday. It was a red carpet edition same way, so you know everybody just step in like a celebrity. Everyone came in and have fun, everyone enjoyed the music, everyone enjoyed the dancing, you know, while consuming the drinks. And everything, and when Selfi TV turn on, trust me, everybody all get excited. The girl them, the charger them start rave, everybody start rave. I just pay things, the party did nice, it was amazing. So big up one more time to the birthday girl. Your cake look good, your cake beautiful. I don't know where you buy it, how much you buy it for, but the cake I say one. So thanks to each and everyone, and thanks for attending this beautiful birthday celebration. And you know, we hope to see you next time again. And you know, Selfi TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD will be there. Big up again once more to all Sagittarius. It was a Sagittarius affair right up in there. Selfi TV! No cassette, no CD, no DVD. Mad. Shorty, big up yourself.
Kanabis Selfi TV. We are watch.